Hello guys, welcome back. In this lecture we are going to see how can we view a file. Usually in Windows we can just double click to open a file. But in Linux we have different commands. Depends upon how do you want to read, you can execute these commands. First let's try with ls command. So I'm on my server and I have logged in as a root user. If I do ls over here, you can see there are two files. ls stands for list. It is going to list out the files or directories what are there in the current working directory. Usually in Windows we just go inside to the directory. If you go inside to the directory, you can able to see all the files and directories. But here it is not the case. Once you go inside to your directory, you need to list out files by using ls command. And I would like to introduce one more command, that is pwd. Pwd stands for present working directory, which will tell you that on which directory you are. You can see here I am under root directory. This is my present working directory. In Windows, it is something like this. This is your current working directory, right? You are under My PC, Desktop, Galaxy, and Downloads. In this, you have these directories. You can see the directories over here, but in Linux, you need to execute ls command to see the content of your directory. And even if you want to know the in which path you are working, you need to execute the pwd command. But here you can directly identify that okay, you are under desktop, Galaxy, downloads, and you can see these files. That is how it works. Next, cat file name. Usually to view a file we can use the cat command. Here we have two files, right? Anaconda ks.cfg, original ks.cfg. Just I'm trying to open, ignore about the content whatever it has, cat followed by the file name. If you give this one, it is going to display the file name, but it is very big file, so we are at the last page of our file. Let's go up. So it started here. We have just displayed the cat command, and this is where it started, and lot of information is there. I'm just scrolling down. Whenever you execute cat command, it displays the file, but it directly go to the end of the file. You can see the last page of your file. Next, less. I'm clearing the screen. In Linux, to clear the screen, we are executing a command called clear. Again, if I do ls, this time I'm executing less. So less command is going to display the file page by page. You can see here, this is the starting of your file, right? And it is reading this file, and this is the first page, and if you enter the space, it will go to the next page. I'm just entering space. It is next page, next page, next page. Like this, you can move on to the different pages by using this one until you reach to the end of the file. Now you reach to the end of the file. If you want to exit and quit from this file, you just need to give the q. So q nothing but quit. I just given q and I came out. So less is, instead of displaying entire file, you can read file page by page. Next, more. More also works similar way. Okay, you can see here I am reading first page of my file. It is 15% of our file. Next, 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 next. Here also we need to give space, and we reached end of the file. So this is how we can open our file by using less or more. Next thing, head. If you would like to know only what is content is available, you don't want to read entire file, in that case you can use head or tail command. So head will displace the first 10 lines of your file. So I'm giving the same file head, and if I display, if you count these files, you will find 10 lines. Okay, first 10 lines of your file is going to displace the head command. Similar way, we have tail command. Tail is going to display last 10 lines of your file. Okay, tail, I am giving file name, and you can see here this is end, this is the end of your file. Okay, so it gives the last 10 lines and head will give the first 10 lines. Assume that you need first 20 lines. In that case, let me clear the screen. I can give head 20 and my file name. So, sorry, head minus 20. So head minus 20 file name, if I give, it is going to display the 20 lines of your file. Similar way, you can give tail minus 20. Let me clear the screen. Tail minus 20 file name. You can see last 20 lines of your file. Last 20 lines of your file. This is how we can use head or tail commands. Next, page. Page also similar to less or more command. It is also going to display the same command. Again, it doesn't work on some operating systems. So here it is not working. So these are the commands we use to open or read a file. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.